Okay, hello, I'm going to show you how to mount and burn images and how to make them play. First, you go download your torrent, go into the file, and you open it up once it's done, and you minimize that, and then you would go to Power ISO. I will also be giving the links in the description. And you press continue unregistered, and you go to, first of all you go to mount, and you go set number of drives 1, and you can mount it there, and then you go make CD slash DVD slash BD image file. You click that, you click ISO file, and then you click that, and you click your ISO file, whichever comes up and stuff, and whatever game you downloaded, and you would save it in there. And then once that's done, you go to back into you go back into your folders, and then you click setup, and you have to have the game crack in order to play any of these. So make sure it has like a setup exe or something like that. Once you set it up, there are a few problems I had because I installed Sonic Generations. So this here would be the configure game settings. So I didn't realize that you had to drag it out and run it as administrator to actually make it work. And also another problem that popped up when I was also installing through this process would be the let's close this off. Would be the DirectX problem or something with the DLL errors, right? So you would have to install DirectX runtime user end in order for that to clear up the DLL files. So if you want to clear them up, go to the Microsoft site. Well, I'll show you in a few seconds. And yeah, another thing I had was I had to install Steam in order to play the games. So I'll show you where to download Power ISO and the other one, just so you guys don't get lost. Alright, so, and it would be this one right here. And you would click download now, and you just download it, and you click continue unregistered. And then another one is end user. Remember to put end user. And then you just go to the top one right up here. And then you would click download, and then you would click next, and then your download will pop up on whatever. And then another thing, okay, let me exit out of this, and then you have to install this thing right here, which is Steam. I never updated it because you have to do a few things to update it, but anyways, you have to install Steam, and then when you've installed Steam, you can click your game and it should play. So yeah, hope you enjoy. I'll give you one free game, link in the description, and have fun. Please like and subscribe.